Hello, my name is Tine. In this video I'll make this strawberry planter. This video will be a bit different, cause weather those days is so nice, I make something outside. Just a small project, to see if there will be interest in that kind of video, cause I got big plans with that backyard. Actually that's what I bought this little toy. About a month ago there was about 200 years old hay rack, very common building here in Slovenia. But some earthquake damaged them too much for restoration, but still hold all these years. Anyway, hay rack is down and we got bunch of free space here, so we decided to move strawberry out of garden on this place, where will be a lot of sun. So let's go into father's wood workshop and make a strawberry planter. I prepared this cheap spruce wood. Firstly make it parallel, but I need to prepare the machine. It's straight enough, so I don't need to use planer machine, because it's full. Then I prepare thickness planner to make smooth and parallel surface all around. Surface is much better and it's outside product, so I'm not wasting time with sanding. Now cut 6 pieces to 70 cm length in my case. Now tilt the saw for about 15 degrees and cut 2 pieces of 50 cm, 2 pieces of 30 and 2 pieces of 15 cm. But that's just my measures. The saw no longer cuts well, so I need to sand the edges. Now I got all the parts to assemble the strawberry planter. I could complicate it with making chamfer and sand all the surfaces, but it'd be outside on rain and sun and will not last more than a year or two, so keep it simple. Now I'll take proper screws and make hole for it, so the wood won't split, and then just assemble all together. Now I got 3 frames made, but they'll not hold together, so I screw a few pieces of wood on the bottom frame to hold the upper one on its position. That's it. All the frames now hold its position rock solid, and it's ready for planting. But I do one more thing, watering system. I just take a piece of pipe, cut it to proper length and drill some 10mm holes all around. And that's it. During the planting I'll just insert that tube into soil, so watering will be easier and more efficient. Okay, and now planting. We'll firstly prepare some natural old bullshit and some regular soil, then mix it together to get awesome soil for planting. And now prepare the place for the planter. Where we live it's just bigger or smaller hill, so we need to dig a shelf to put planter on it. My girl and daughter said we can dig it manually. My answer was, work smart, not hard, and leave man with his toys. Just a bit of manual correction and then I put some flat rocks under, so it will stay flat also after the erosion of soil, and then just fill it with soil. And the planter is done. Now get some strawberry plants. We'll use the one from last year. Look like they survive winter without problem and they're very healthy. That small ones are the young strawberry from last year, which reproduced by itself. If you maybe don't know, strawberries somewhere into July or August make some kind of air roots, and where it touched to the soil it become growing new strawberry. When it get enough own roots we just cut it and plant to another pot. Before we plant them we need to remove all the dead leaves, reduce a bit of root and cut them to length about 4 cm. Make that every time when transplant them, usually every 2 years. Then just plant them and that's it. I need to tell that we don't got too much experience with strawberry. Last year we got them into plastic flower box and they grow and bore really nice. We'll see how it going with the planter this year. But week after planting they look really nice and already got many flowers. We're watering them every 2 to 4 days. In a month or two I will add a bit of dry grass around the plants to keep more moisture in the soil during hot summer. That's it for today. If the planter will be a success, I definitely make bigger next year and let you know about results. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe if you like, and see you next time.